Yeah, Ashwin just taking his time building up the play. That
Offside?
is offside, surely no. That was not offside actually. That would have been a goal if he had not missed the Ashwin. As the game gets just a bit more tenser. Now you can see Shubham himself a nice run
he
from
has an
Mbappe.
opening. Don't overthink it. Just take the shot. There you go. That's all you need, and it's always good to do that.
Maybe us getting a glimpse of his confidence, and now Ronaldo in the box trying to lose his marker. Gets a little lucky with that. He's able to now cut back the bridge though.
His game that he's playing, and again he finds the gap. Will he look for that run down the right flank? Decides to just start building again, change the angle of attack. He's got Pele in, and it's a goal.
Huge.
It's a goal, and that's what I mean.
The pedal to the metal and remove any trace of hope from Ashwin's mind. Put him under pressure again. A little bit of luck once again towards Shubham's favor. That interception coming back to him will free up Pele on the flank. But the ball roll was perfect.
Oh, keeps
The
that
cutback
in
will be-
really well. This should be a shot. Take the shot, and oh no. But I mean, you know, these things happen at such a high pace. To just process it in your mind, be like, okay, you know what? It's impossible to stop. And Shubham there, getting in, wins the header. You know, Ashwin is going to be chasing that result. It does very well with Eusebio to hold that ball up against Marquinhos. And what a ball to find! Ronaldo needs to find the pass to Pele. Takes the shot and straight at Van der Sar.
Perhaps a bit of positioning on Shubham, but hold on, Ashwin now once again on the attack. The passes have been perfect. Just going for it with Ronaldo. Messi was free though. Could have maybe found him, but once again
Still
across.
a shot. Oh, off the post. That was the trademark Ashwin shot. On the counter attack, we just saw the last play that he did. He could be quite deadly, using the pace of R9 over there and opening the angle for
nice
Bullet.
pass.
And now Pele has the shot in off the post, and those are the fine margins of the EISL, where one shot hits the post and goes out. This one in off the post, and Odisha FC have that 2-0 lead. A little sweaty at the moment. Maybe you'll want to take a pause and wipe it down. It is Messi, but the best shot possible from the right angle. He put the cross in, and it's a scissor kick there from Mbappe. Went for the timed finish, but didn't quite get the timing right. It's still Gullit, and oh my goodness, and still Gullit. He's going to be so nervous. As we see now with Pele, again the rub of the green favoring him. Will he go for the shot? Block on the line, more or less by Theo, because if that shot connected. See, like for instance, Dougal, similarities between the season with Akshat at Kerala Blasters, where obviously a good player. Oh, hang on. A lot of the players that we've seen in that, you don't really see a lot of like these ball rolls and the standard stuff that a lot of esports players do. Hang on, that's a great shot, and it's in the corner. That's brilliant from Tikka. That is pure instinct, just going little one move after the other, finding the gap and smashing it into the bottom corner, and boxing the camera as well.
If you get pressed well and you lose the ball, it's just going to debilitate your confidence much further. Really.
Will he go for the shot? Oh, he's worked it well, and again.
Hold on, Cruyff maybe getting himself that opportunity, just turning left, right, definitely making Frankie dizzy there, but
just decided to recycle possession, and now you can see the cutting lane. I mean, the passing lane's been cut out very effectively by Tikka. But Dougal, now he's worked it. Take the shot! Take the shot! Take the shot! And finally he does that. Looked like it was maybe offside. You can see the face palm over there from Dougal. It gives you a lot more confidence going in. And hang on, he doesn't just want to draw. He's I think overhit that pass just slightly again. Even if it doesn't mean creating a chance, although we've got Mbappe over here, he's got the overload on this flank, puts the cross into Ronaldo, CR7, it is! Off both posts! And that is the difference that CR7 makes in this game, that improbable header, and I think it's because he was up against Cafu, anybody else, and he probably doesn't get that space, but it was, I mean, that was as on edge as possible. There you go, it was it Cafu? Yeah, it was Cafu at the back post, and off one post, off the other post, and just
on the counter.
Looking for the counter. Oh, that's a great ball, and this could be it. And he does. He just passes it into the net, and all of Dougal's good work has just gone down the drain, unfortunately, as it was all going so well for him. It was all going perfectly according to plan, and now
because What we saw from Dougal was much more of a slower style, and hold on. Immediately, maybe that substitution in that right back to compensate for the header. Carlos Alberto playing over Cafu. Like, what do you
Yeah,
think? Is
could be. I mean, oh, hang on, they've got in straight away. He's taken the shot and it's almost curled
Wow.
into the back post.
meshed together very well here, but they have a history of being able to execute certain game plans
Oh,
on
there
top
you
and
go.
now doing exactly
There
that.
you go. That's
Wow.
brilliantly worked. I think we don't have the clear cams on yet, so I can't predict and take a guess as to who that was. But yeah, that's a very, very well worked goal. Just firing it in and there in that one-on-one defending. Just not able to make the right decision on defense there for Odisha FC, and yeah, just turning on a dime. Using the sort of side of the foot to turn with it, but hang on, another little turn and
Oh,
it's too
no.
wide. Come for the moment, it looks like Mumbai City FC are going on the counter attack. He does have the choice of Mbappe or Eusebio in the box. It does look like he might go for
Oh,
Eusebio, and it's a goal, and that's a brilliant counter attack. They worked that perfectly. And Merciless here from Mumbai City FC. Merciless City FC. That's right. And maybe they'll try a different one this time. It is in. It's Gullit over there with a header
Oh,
and
Van der Sar.
save. Headed it straight at Van der Sar. And
because whenever I try them, it always gets intercepted.
oh, that's a
But they're
great
able to
ball.
get
If
it
he
through
can
and
get
hold
that
on.
first touch right,
Ah.
he has to go for the chip here. He does go for the chip.
Oh, wow.
And it is in. It is in. There you go. And Shubham, of course, we've seen him do that same chip yesterday as well. And I believe it went off the crossbar.
Yeah.
But now Odisha FC suddenly, hang on, right back in it. It's just one goal. They have been growing in confidence, and yeah, that's a great finish over there. Don't make them pay for it. They
Oh,
might
no.
make them pay over here. And we do
Oh,
know
boy.
Mumbai City FC.
Oh!
Oh no! Surely not. Saved by Van der Sar. Get it out! Get it out! Get it out! Oh. And now he has Ronaldo 9 available. He's got Mbappe, or he can go down the line. Which one will he choose? It's up to what? He chooses
doesn't
neither.
choose.
Oh my goodness! Ran straight into the goal, but thankfully we didn't get to see that blooper. And the shot
Oh.
opens up, and it's saved by Van der Sar for once. Something possible to make sure they don't get the opportunity to make whatever changes they want.
Yeah.
And well done over there using Pele. And he's
Oh.
got it in there. Is that a
Is that-
penalty? No, it's not. For Ronaldo to attack it properly over there, but still have the ball. Got to play this right if they want to get that draw. It is the last play of the game, more or less, and just a foot away